We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new Lexus Rx450h. This is a 24 plate. As you see, we've only 43 miles on. Customer wanted it secure when they picked it up. On this, we fitted the Halo Mini total kill system. So the way this works is a push sequence immobiliser, so the vehicle's not going to start without a code. So if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, it's not going to start. As you see, it hasn't gone to ready. We're unable to put the vehicle into gear. The vehicle's not going to start. For the customer, they have a code they can use every time they get in the vehicle. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. We receive a flash. We can now start it. It's gone to ready. We can put it in gear and drive off. If you being the customer have given someone the code you shouldn't have, they've taken the vehicle because they know your push sequence and they're not bringing it back, or it's been put in service mode, taken to a dealer and been stolen off the forecourt. What you can do, go into your total kill, see where the vehicle is with the tracking, but you can also totally kill it. So we'll go in here, cut it off, type in our password. Now the command's successful. If it's in service mode, it's going to jump out, or if the vehicle's secure and someone knows the code, it's no longer going to accept it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 was our code. As you see, we get no flash, and if we try to start, the vehicle's not going to start up. Just to show you again, 1, 2, 3, 4, no flash, vehicle doesn't start. So once you've gone to the vehicle using the tracking app, you can go in, recover it. So now you're there, you'll pop in your password. When you're with the vehicle, press OK. Command goes through successfully. So now we'll double tap, pop our code in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash this time and we can start the vehicle. So this will work whether someone knows your code and the vehicle's immobilised, but they know it, so they pop the code in and drive it around, or it's in service mode. It will take the vehicle out of service mode and stop it from starting. This is the Halo Mini total kill system. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.